This is called a bird flaps its wings. Start out, your heels 3 inches apart, 3-4 inches, out at a 45-degree angle. Come down, bring your arms out, and your heels come off the floor. Go back up, arms out, bring wrists up, heels off the floor. And you just repeat that 9 times. Slowly. I'm not going to do it 9 times, but then in closing, bring your hands up to your chest, fairly close together, not touching, slowly, then bring them down to the sides. Just hold that for a few seconds. But please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.